In today's feature, we delve into the elegant and performance-packed return of a classic icon, the 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Officially unveiled by Cadillac, this luxury coupe masterfully blends timeless sophistication with cutting-edge innovation. Let's dive into every confirmed detail, from its upgraded engine to the luxurious interior and advanced technology. The 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille showcases a bold aerodynamic silhouette that exudes presence and class. At the forefront is the signature Cadillac grille, adorned with intricate chrome detailing, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights equipped with advanced illumination technology. The body lines are sharp yet fluid, striking a perfect balance between modern aesthetics and classic elegance. The Coupe DeVille rides on 20-inch alloy wheels as standard, with an optional upgrade to 22-inch diamond-cut wheels for an extra touch of opulence. The rear of the car features sleek LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets, completing the sporty yet refined look. Cadillac offers a palette of striking colors, including crystal white tricoat, obsidian black metallic, and a new head-turning hue called royal garnet red. To enhance both performance and efficiency, Cadillac engineers have aerodynamically optimized the Coupe DeVille. Under the hood, the 2025 Coupe DeVille is powered by an upgraded 4.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers an impressive 500 horsepower and 550 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse ensures seamless acceleration and a commanding road presence. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Coupe DeVille offers smooth gear transitions and optimal power delivery. For those seeking even more performance, Cadillac offers the DeVille Performance Package, DVP. This package boosts the engine output to 550 horsepower, adds adaptive suspension, and includes sport-tuned dynamics for an exhilarating driving experience. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, while an optional all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability. Additionally, the Coupe DeVille features multiple driving modes, including comfort, sport, and touring, allowing drivers to tailor their experience to any road condition or mood. Step inside the 2025 Coupe DeVille, and you're greeted by an interior designed to redefine luxury. Cadillac has used only the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather upholstery, natural wood accents, and brushed aluminum trims. Ambient lighting with 30 customizable colors enhances the cabin's sophistication, creating a serene atmosphere for passengers. At the center of the dashboard is a stunning 33-inch curved OLED display, seamlessly integrating the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. This high-resolution screen delivers crystal-clear graphics and is powered by Cadillac's latest user experience, CUE, system, featuring voice recognition, intuitive touch controls, and wireless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Passengers enjoy 14-way adjustable heated and ventilated seats, ensuring maximum comfort on any journey. Additionally, the Coupe DeVille boasts a Bose Performance Series sound system with 20 strategically placed speakers, delivering a concert-like audio experience. Cadillac prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Coupe DeVille is no exception. The vehicle comes equipped with the Super Cruise driver assistance system, offering hands-free driving capability on compatible highways. Advanced safety features include automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera system. To ensure optimal protection, Cadillac has integrated enhanced structural safety with ultra-high-strength materials. Despite its exhilarating performance, the 2025 Coupe DeVille also focuses on efficiency. The advanced twin-turbo V8 engine features Cadillac's active fuel management system, which deactivates cylinders during low-load conditions to optimize fuel consumption. This technology ensures a practical balance between power and fuel efficiency, making the Coupe DeVille a viable option for everyday luxury. Cadillac has announced that the 2025 Coupe DeVille will start at $75,000, with fully loaded configurations exceeding $100,000. The vehicle is set to arrive at Cadillac dealerships nationwide by mid-2025. Pre-orders are now open through Cadillac's official website and authorized dealerships. Buyers can customize their Coupe DeVille with a range of optional packages, including the Luxury Comfort Package and the DeVille Performance Package, ensuring a tailored experience to suit individual preferences. The 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is a triumphant return of a timeless classic. It seamlessly combines elegance, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance in one stunning package. Cadillac's meticulous craftsmanship and homage to its rich heritage make this luxury coupe a standout in the world of modern automobiles. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exclusive updates, and let us know in the comments what excites you most about the 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.